Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner you will have these three dots. That's the menu icon. Tap on it. The last option will be the settings. Tap on the settings, and if you scroll down here you will see the language. Tap on the language, and here you have to select your language. By tapping on it you can change the language. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.